Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about a program called odd or even. That is, we should predict whether a number is odd or even. So let us see how we can say that a number is even or odd. So if we divide a number by 2 and if we get remainder as 0, we can say a number is an even number. Similarly, if we divide a number by 2 and if we get remainder as 1, we will say that a number is odd. So one point to be noted that if we divide a number by 2, the remainder that we will get is either 0 or 1. Similarly, say if we divide any number by 10, the remainder that we can get is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9. That is, we should always get a remainder less than that number. So let us see. Say the number is 9. So we divide this 9 with 2. 2, 4, 8. So the remainder is 1. Similarly, if we divide number with 8, for 8, 2 4s are 8 and we get 0. So one point is to be noted is, for getting this we should always use modulus operator, and for getting this we should always use this division operator. So let us write the code. So we should let us write for main code. So code is 9, that is the number that we have entered. Say a is the number that we have entered and we want this reminder. So for that we should use this division, this modulus operator. So modulus with what? With 2, and if it is 0, then we can say then that the number is even. That is, if this is 0, then we can say that printf it is an odd number. It is odd number. So this is the code. Now we have to include main function also. Let us write main function int main. So since the a will be given by the user, so let us include scanf function. So for scanf function we should also write as printf percentage, it will say the user to enter the number, enter the number, scanf percentage d and address of a. We should define this a like declaration. So int a. This is the code for this. We should also include the main function. Then we should also include the preprocessor, that is hash include stdio.h. So there are various preprocessor. From that what we should include is, see here we are only performing is standard input and output. So for that standard stdio.h is enough. Okay. Further, if we use like any mathematical expression like sine theta and cos theta, for that we could have include math.h. So this is the code for that. So what if we write here 1? So if we a modulus 2 and we get 1, that is, this number is an odd number. So simply just we can remove this and we can write as odd, and similarly it will become as even. But this program is very easy. But when you go for an interview, interviewer will ask the same question, but they will tell you to write this program without using a modulus operator. That is, for that case they will ask that we should not use this modulus operator. How can we do that? Let us see. Find an even or odd without using the modulus operator. If we divide 9 with 2, we get is 2 4s are 8 and the remainder is 1. That is, the number that you have entered 9, and we multiply this 2 with this 4, then and then this reminder, let it be this reminder, and 9 minus 2 4s are 8, this will be reminder. Okay, so 9 minus 8 becomes 1, so 1 is the reminder. So if the remainder is 1, we can tell that it is an odd number. Similarly, let us see for even number. 2 divided by 8, so 2 4 8 becomes 0. So 8 was the number, so 8 into 2 into 4 plus remainder 8 minus, let us bring this side, 4 to the 8, so this becomes 8 equals to remainder, so this becomes 0, remainder is 0. So we can say that if remainder is 0, then it is even. If remainder is an odd number. Okay, so this logic only we will be using for this, that is right. So first what we did is, we have to get this. For getting this, we have to use this division operator. So the number that we entered was a division with what? With 2. This will give you 4. Let us store this in one variable. Let us say we store in b. Okay, now in this b we are having 4, so we got this 4. Now let us multiply with 2. Let us use other variable c into this will be b into 2, because b is holding 4 and 4 into 2 becomes 8. Now this becomes 8. Now let us use the remainder variable. Now what we'll do, the real number, the original number that we had, 8a minus the value that we got, that is c, a minus c. Now this will give us the remainder. So if remainder is equals to 0, then printf it is even number, new line, else printf it is odd number. Again you have to take the input for a. Let us first define the variable that we have used, int a, b, c and remainder. Printf enter the number, new line, scanf percentage d, since we are entering the integer number. The number that we were entering was a, so address of a, and let us include the main function also. Main, also preprocessor hash include stdio dot h, and let us terminate this program. So this is the end of the program. Now let us execute the program. Now let us run this program. So 6. 6 is an even number. Let us give other input. $89. It is an odd number. Let us change few things. If this becomes 1, let us run again. It is an odd number. It is an even number. Now let us write the other code. Now let us check the code. It is an even number. It is an odd number. Thank you.